Hello everyone, welcome to the Dassa Buddy YouTube channel today. As usual, we have brought you a new topic today, so you all must have seen the thumbnail to see what that topic is. The future of the metaverse and virtual reality. Did you really know about this? Just think, if you could travel abroad while staying at home, what kind of experience would it be for you? That is the future of VR technology. So let's talk more about this in the video. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, don't forget to subscribe now and share it with your friends. So let's go to today's video. The metaverse and virtual reality, VR, have become two of the most exciting topics in technology, with huge potential to change the way we live, work, and interact with each other. The metaverse is often described as a vast shared digital space where people can interact in real time, like a 3D internet. VR, on the other hand, is the technology that immerses people in these digital worlds. Together, they promise a future where we can step into new, interactive worlds from the comfort of our homes. But what does the future really hold for the metaverse and VR? One of the most important areas where the metaverse could transform our lives is in social connection. Imagine putting on a VR headset and teleporting into a virtual room to meet friends or family who live far away. Instead of a regular video call, you could sit around a virtual table, play games together, or explore a new digital world. Major companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, are already working on building these social VR platforms where people can spend time together, regardless of physical distance. Education is another area that could benefit enormously from the metaverse. Students could attend virtual classrooms, study history by visiting ancient cities in VR, or practice science experiments in a safe, controlled digital environment. This could make learning more interactive and engaging, helping students understand complex topics by seeing them in 3D rather than just reading about them in books. Imagine studying space by walking around a virtual solar system or learning about marine life by exploring a digital coral reef. The workplace is also likely to change. With remote work becoming more popular, VR can offer an experience closer to being in a physical office. Imagine attending meetings where you're not just a face on a screen, but an avatar in a virtual boardroom. You could even attend conferences and collaborate on projects in a virtual environment. This could make remote work feel more connected and productive. But while the possibilities are exciting, there are also challenges to overcome. VR technology needs to improve to become more affordable and comfortable for everyday use. Current VR headsets can be expensive and bulky, making them less accessible for the average person. Additionally, privacy and security concerns are major issues. In a world where people spend a lot of time in digital spaces, protecting personal information and ensuring safe interactions will be crucial. Companies creating these virtual spaces will need to ensure they're safe and welcoming, with strong protections against bullying and harassment. Another question is how the metaverse will be regulated. Will governments set rules for what's allowed in these virtual spaces? Will companies hold too much control over our digital lives? As the metaverse grows, these are issues that will need thoughtful solutions. Despite the challenges, the future of the metaverse and VR looks promising. As technology advances, we can expect to see more immersive and realistic experiences, opening up new possibilities in entertainment, education, and work. The metaverse might take years to fully develop, but its potential is immense. It could become a place where people connect, learn, and create, transforming the way we live in ways we're only beginning to imagine. The journey is just beginning, and it's going to be fascinating to see where it leads. What do you really think about the metaverse and VR technology? Be sure to comment below. Remember that technology is really good, but it is also very risky, so be very careful when dealing with technology, otherwise you will have to face a lot of problems. That is my advice today. So if you learned something after watching today's video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you think this video is important for your friend who is also looking into this, be sure to share it with him. So I will end the video here today, and I will leave you today. Have a good day, everyone.